conversation between two students discussing their upcoming exams. So, let's start. Hey Varun, have you started studying for the upcoming exams?
Oh, don't remind me, Ram. I know I should have, but it's been a bit tough balancing everything.
I totally get it. The pressure can be overwhelming. But we have those tricky math problems and the history easy to prepare for, right?
Yes, I have been avoiding those math problems like the plague. And history? I haven't even picked a topic for the essay.
Well, we still have a bit of time. Why don't we study together? It might make things a bit more manageable.
That's actually a great idea. You always seem to have a better grasp of these subjects.
Nonsense, Varun. I struggle too. But studying together can help us understand and clarify doubts.
Alright, let's give it a shot. When should we start?
How about tomorrow after school? We can grab a table at the library and go through the math problems first.
Sounds good. And maybe we can brainstorm some essay topic too.
Definitely, I have got a list of potential topics we can discuss. By the way, have you looked at the science syllabus?
Not much, to be honest, but I heard that the teacher gave out a study guide. I need to pick that up from her.
We should do that tomorrow as well. And let's not forget about those tricky grammar rules for English. Maybe we can create
Flashcard or
something.
flashcard sounds like a lifesaver. Ram, I struggle with those grammar rules all the time. And don't even get me started on the vocabulary section.
Haha, I hear you. But we will tackle it together. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work.
You are right, Ram. Thanks for being so supportive. I am feeling a bit more motivated now.
No problem at all, Varun. We have got each other backs. Just promise me you won't leave everything for the last minute, okay?
I promise, Ram, tomorrow library after school we are going to ace these exams.
That's the spirit, Varun. Now let's get some rest and gear up for our study session tomorrow.
Part 2, Office Conversation between two employees. Good morning, Rahul. How was your weekend?
Good morning, Paul. My weekend was pretty exciting. I watched a new web series. How about you?
Oh, that sounds nice. I had a family get together, so it was bit hectic but fun. By the way, have you heard about the new project our team is taking on?
Yeah, I caught wind of it from our team lead. It sounds challenging but also exciting. Do you know the details?
Not all of them, but I heard it's related to developing a mobile app for our client in the healthcare sector. We will probably have a meeting about it later this week.
Ah, got it. That sounds like an interesting domain to work on. I hope we can come up with some innovative ideas for the app.
Absolutely. I think our team has a lot of potential, and with everyone's expertise, we can really make a positive impact.
Speaking of which, I noticed Ramesh has been working on some advanced coding techniques. Maybe we can tap into his knowledge for this project.
That's a great idea. Let's set up a knowledge sharing session with him. Also, I heard the management is considering flexible work hours. That could be a game changer, right?
Oh, definitely. I would make work life balance so much better. I have a daughter at home, so that would be really helpful.
I completely understand. I have my hands full with my parents, so it would make a huge difference for me too. Let's keep an eye out for any official announcement.
Sure thing. And hey, I saw some new faces on our floor. Did we get some new hires?
Yes, we did. The HR team has been expanding our department. I heard they are quite talented and have deserved skill sets. It's always good to have fresh perspective.
Absolutely. Well, let's cheer up for the week ahead and tackle the challenges together. We have got this, Paul.
You are right, Rahul. With our dedication and teamwork, there is nothing we can't achieve. Let's make this project a success. If you really want to improve your English, if you really want to speak in English, so you can follow this channel. We will upload that type of video every single day. Please support me. Please subscribe and press on the bell icon. Like, comment, and share.